Good morning, Munchkins. Happy Tuesday and also happy Cinco de Mayo. That is a holiday which is celebrated and comes from Mexico. And it is the reason that they celebrated it's because they had a victory against France in a battle. So they celebrate with eating lots of delicious foods and by dressing up and doing lots of dancing. So a lot of people in America actually celebrate Cinco de Mayo too by eating lots of yummy Mexican food. So maybe you'll do that tonight too. But in your Brain Pop video, you will learn a lot more about Cinco de Mayo. So right now, what I want you to do is take out your calendars, your calendar notebooks, and your crayon boxes so we can get started with morning meeting. Excellent job. All right, so we are in a new month. What month is it? Very good, it is May. I cannot believe it. We only have 1 month after this left of school together. Makes me so sad. But I know that you guys are so much smarter. Okay, so the last day we were in school was yesterday, May 4th. So if yesterday was May 4th, what is today's date? Very good, May 5th. So like I said, it is Cinco de Mayo. So I want to put up a little card that says Cinco de Mayo, and it has a picture of Mexico's flag. Okay, what year is it? Very good, it is 2020. So let's say the full date together. May 5th, 2020. Let's say the digital date, 5/5/20. Very good, boys and girls. All right, so what you're gonna do now, oops, I left my calendar. Hold on 1 second in the other room. Sorry about that, boys and girls. Okay, so you are gonna take out your calendar and you're gonna fill in today's date, May 5th. So remember, make sure you're making your 5 the correct way. Straight line down, then around, hat on top, and 5's a clown. Great job, boys and girls. Now, how many months are there in a year? Very good. There are 12 months in a year. So I want you to pause this video and I want you to do our months of the year song. Great job, boys and girls, and welcome back. Now let's talk about the days of the week. How many days are there in a week? Excellent, there are 7 days in a week. What is the first day of the week? Wonderful, Sunday. What's the last day of the week? Excellent, Saturday. What day of the week was it yesterday? Very good, it was Monday. So I'm gonna take my yesterday was tab and point it to Monday. If yesterday was Monday, what day of the week is it today? Very good, it is Tuesday. So I'm gonna take my today is tab and point it to Tuesday. And if today is Tuesday, what day of the week will it be tomorrow? You got it, Wednesday, very good. So tomorrow will be, and we'll point it to Wednesday. All right, so yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Very good, boys and girls. So before we do our song, let's take our magic finger and do some pointer power, and let's say the days of the week together. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Very good, boys and girls. So now I want you to pause this video, and I want you to do your days of the week song. Great job. Welcome back, boys and girls. Now let's move on to our seasons. How many seasons do we have? Fantastic, 4. Can you tell me what they are called? Excellent. Winter, spring, summer, and autumn. What's another name for autumn? Great job, fall. And what season are we in right now? Very good, it is May. So I have moved my arrow now to May. Excellent job. It is spring in May. So I have moved my arrow to point to May, which is in the spring. So I'm going to take my little tab for spring and I'm going to put it under the season is. Okay, excellent. Now let's talk about the weather. What is the weather like today? It's going to be another gorgeous day. Very good. It is sunny. And how does it feel outside right now? Yeah, it feels pretty cold right now, but hopefully later on it is going to warm up and it's going to get into the 60s. So you should be able to go outside and ride your bike, run around and play. Okay, so I'm going to put sunny and I'm going to put cold for right now, but it should warm up later. So the temperature outside is about 45 degrees Fahrenheit. So if it's 45 degrees Fahrenheit, where are we going to start on our thermometer? Very good, at 40, because 45 is in the 40s. So let's count up. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. Excellent job. So I'm going to move this up here to 45. Excellent. Now you're going to turn to your weather chart, take out a purple crayon, and you're going to color one box above sunny in purple. S-U-N-N-Y. Great job. Excellent. Okay, so I'm going to move this now out of the way. Okay, let's look at over here at our daily depositor. So in our daily depositor right now, we have one bundle of 100, 5 bundles of 10, and 4 left over. What do we count our bundles of 100 by? Very good, by 100. What do we count our bundles of 10 by? Excellent, by 10s. And what do we count our straws left over by? Wonderful, by 1s. So let's count now and see how many we have all together. Here we go. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154. So if we have 154 straws in our daily depositor, and we add one more straw, how many will we have now? Excellent, 155. And where are we going to put this? In the ones column, the tens column, or the hundreds column? Fantastic, the ones column. Why are we going to put it in the ones column? Right, we don't have enough to make another bundle of 10 yet, and we definitely don't have enough to make a bundle of 100, so it goes in the ones column. Now 155 is a 3-digit number. What 3 digits make 155? Excellent, a 1, a 5, and a 5, because there is one bundle of 100, 5 bundles of 10, and 5 left over. So if you were writing 155 and you're putting in place value, the 1 would go in the hundreds column, 5 would go in the tens column, and 5 would go in the ones column. And what these numbers represent, the 1 in the hundreds column represents 100 straws, plus the 5 in the tens column represents 50 straws, and the 5 in the ones column represents 5. So if you add that up all together, that equals 155, which means you have been in school for 155 days, and that you are 155 days smarter. Good job, boys and girls. So I want you to take out your calendars. Turn to the second yellow page, and you're going to trace today's number of the day, 155. Excellent job. When you're ready, I want you to turn to your purple page, and you're going to take out an orange crayon, and you're going to color one sneaker under your yellow pair in orange. Excellent, boys and girls. So now that we have 155 sneakers filled in, who can tell me, is 155 an odd or an even number? Very good, it is odd. How do you know that? Excellent. If you look at the pair of sneakers, there's only one sneaker in the pair filled in. So we know if there's only one filled in, it's going to be odd. The other one is left out. How else do you know if the number is even or odd? What do you look for? Excellent. You look for the number in the ones column. And the number in the ones column today is a 5. So we know that if a number ends in a 5, it's going to be odd because 5 loves to hang out with odd Todd. So today is an odd day. So I'm going to circle odd. Excellent. Now let's turn the page to our orange page. Okay. And you're going to take out a red crayon and you're going to color one more box in red on your 10 frame. Excellent job. Now, what do we count our 10 frames by? Fantastic, by tens. But remember, this last 10 frame, we do not count it by 10. We have to count it by ones when we get there because the whole 10 frame is not filled in yet. So everybody take out your magic finger. Let's do some pointer power and let's count together by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155. Excellent job, boys and girls. Now, let's turn to our blue page, and you are going to add another tally mark, but we already have 4 here, so what do we do with our 5th tally mark? That's right, we cross it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits the floor. So you're going to make another group of 5 tally marks. Remember, do not add another tally mark vertically up and down. Okay, there should be only 4 going straight up and down, and then the 5th one crosses over those 4 to make 5, a group of 5. Excellent. So what do we count our tally marks by? Very good, by 5s. Kind of gave that one away. So we're going to take our magic finger. We're going to do some pointer power, and we're going to count by 5s. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150, 155. Excellent job, boys and girls. Wonderful work. Okay, so what you're going to do on your own is your 2D and 3D shapes. You're counting to 100 by 1s, counting by 2s to 50, counting by 5s to 100, and counting by 10s to 100. So don't forget to do that. And then you're also going to do your new purple sight words. I cannot believe we are already on our purple words. So we have 4 new words today. So you are going to get a chant to do. Okay, so you're going to look on the website, and you are also going to have to do 2 worksheets, and you are going to do a sentence for your sight word. I know that you guys don't have the sight word worksheets anymore. We only printed them up until April because we were hoping that we would be going back to school. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on the website, and hopefully you guys can print them out at home. And if you have any issues, just let me know. I can maybe try and email them to your moms or your dads. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. Maybe you guys can eat some tacos today for Cinco de Mayo, or maybe have some chips and salsa. I know that we're going to do that at home. But I hope you have a great rest of your day. I miss you all so, so much, and I can't wait to see you again very soon. Have a great day. Mwah.